Just a little quick vid. We got some rainbowing going on right there and right there. Don't know if it's showing up on the camera or not. Probably not, but some pretty ugly looking rainbowing effect going on right there. I can maybe see it a little bit. And then we've got the little nasty cotton ball clouds there. And then to top it off, got the nice ugly stringers. The drifty string bean clouds. Stringing all over the place this afternoon. So just thought I'd give you guys a little eye candy video of the beautiful skies out here on the old farm. Lovely to work under. A privilege to work under these beautiful skies. I get up in the morning and I look forward to what I'm gonna see in the sky today. We're gonna see some sun halos. We're gonna see some cloud rainbows. We're gonna see some cotton balls, or the reptile scale clouds. We're gonna, or the fish scale clouds, as I also call them. We're gonna see the drifty stringies. You know, it's a new excitement every day. Just for you guys that aren't familiar or haven't seen certain things, these here are walnut trees. They're getting ready to harvest. As you can see, there's a lot of nuts already falling on the ground. Here we go. As you can see, once they get ready, they open up like this. The whole green hull or husk splits off of them. There's your walnut. So they'll come through and harvest these with the machine that comes and shakes the tree. Maybe I'll make a video of it if I get a chance to. Oh, looky there. What do we got? What do we got? Yeah. Squirting another one out. Yeah, I can see the rainbowing in that cloud. Well, you can see some rainbowing right there and right there. But I can't see it on the screen, so I'm not sure what shows up and what doesn't. Oh well. The whole complete west side of the sky is just all smeared silver, gray, white. So here are almond trees. These just got harvested a week or so ago, and did a little post-harvest irrigation. So there's still a couple hangers on the tree that didn't get shaken off. It's always the bad part with machines, is never get perfect. And it's a real hard challenge too with almonds, because you have to dry them down before you harvest. You got to cut the water off 2 different times. You got to cut the water off and get them kind of stressed a little bit so they all start cracking open, the outside hull or husk, so they start to crack open. And then you could kind of water them again a little bit, and then you got to cut the water off again before you shake them, because when a tree's actively taking up water, like a straw sucking up water, the trunk is going to be soft because you got water flowing through it. So you want to cut off the water so it dries the trunk, kind of hardens it off, kind of, you know, gets it a little woody. So when it comes to shake it, it doesn't damage and bark the tree. Get all the bark off of there. But the thing with them sticking is sometimes when you pull the trigger for harvest, you got to do it when there's a certain amount split, you know, because there's some that aren't split yet, some that are, and if you get them if you dry out the tree too much, you could have a problem with the nuts sticking and not wanting to shake off, because right here, in between here, this will get really dry right here, this stem, and it kind of dries out, becomes real hard and wood-like, and when it does, a lot of nuts will stay on the tree. Or if you have ones that aren't split yet, not mature enough, those can also stick on the tree. But you don't want to do it too early either, because then you just run into a bunch of other problems. So there's a little tour of the farm for today. A little education of some walnuts and some almonds, and look at the beautiful skies. Looks like they're maybe starting to transmit some frequencies or something up there, because you got all the smears that are slowly turning into the scales and ripples. So there you have it, and hope you guys have a good day. We'll see you on the next video.